Hey, it's Ken Jackson with Gorzon Real Estate Group, and today we'll be viewing this commercial unit that we have available for rent off Hagley Park Road. The unit is around 800 square feet. It gives you ample parking here outside for you to park multiple vehicles, and there's multiple entry points. Perfect if you have a small distribution or factory that you want to set up close to Hagley Park Road. The main unit opens up to this reception area. Over here you have another office area, which also has a door leading you back to the main entry. So it's perfect if you need an entry point for your staff separate from your clients. Through the hallway over here, you have a full bathroom with a shower. The property is also shared with a tenant who is around the back half of the property. Over here, you have another room that can be used as storage or an office, which also leads you back into the main reception area. The unit also comes with a full kitchen. The property can be renovated based on your business needs. This is good if you have any food preparation needs for your small business or factory. Through this back covered patio section, you have another entry point, which is good if you need to store large items or bulk goods. You also have another wash area over here, as well as a gate which leads you back to the main passage. This property is 800 square feet, so it's a good size for you to expand your business, or if you're just starting out, this is the next step up from your home business, and it's located right off Hagley Park Road, which is pretty central in the Kingston area. Perfect for light manufacturing if you have a embroidery business or a wholesale distribution business, medical supply business. Give us a call or shoot us a WhatsApp message at 876-463-3278 for more information or to schedule a viewing. We look forward to talking to you soon.